Good evening, good evening, guys. Just a quick public disclaimer. Let's get in here, people. As you're coming in, like and share the video. Give it a thumbs up. Like and share the video as you're coming in. Let's give it about 2 minutes for others to come on. Let's give it a few more minutes. As you're coming in, like and share the video. I just want to put out a quick public disclaimer about a criminal in Chicago. The video she made alleging things. First, without wasting more time, good evening, everyone, including the hate watchers and the zombies. The zombies are highly welcome because zombie na zombie need to get sense. So it has come to our attention the video made by the criminal in Chicago, the fugitive, um, alleging things. First, let me make it clear the picture she used is that of king of the game and his beautiful daughter, and she has no access to the mom. All she said there was nothing but catalog of lies. That's what they do. They continue lying, and please, the general public and members of Ijele Nation disregard that. Every information, everything that was said on that video, A to Z, are lies. Now, let me go straight how she got those pictures. When I say, or when we say that the Nigerian police, the few corrupt police officers in Area 7 are working with this god of man or dog of man, you guys think I'm kidding. When Ijele went, they got hold of his phone. Now the Nigerian police took Ijele's phone and handed over to these criminals. All those details, those data were stolen from his phones. Can you guys see that how these police these corrupt police officers can never be trusted? First, on the 20th, first they did was to collect Ijele's phones, gave it to them, and straight away, Akosayo made a post that is without his phones. He can keep hiding. We know everything that is going on. He can go and hide, thinking we don't know. We know. Today, they forwarded, now they are distributing everything. You can see how low life these criminals are. Today, she's come publishing a young girl that has nothing to do in this issue. And tomorrow, she come to begin to cry that she has done nothing. What has that beautiful girl got to do in that picture? Why would they not blow her face out? And tomorrow, some persons will come to excuse your criminal, your criminal dog of man. Tomorrow, you guys want to excuse the criminal that calls himself a god of a god of man. You can see the sort of people they are. They went as far as conniving with these corrupt police officers, accessing details on Ijele's phone, copying pictures. First, without wasting more time, Ijele's mom is never in contact with the criminal in Chicago. You guys can take this to the bank. These guys are nothing but despicable, filthy desperados. They are worse than a pig in the mud. They can go at any length trying to, concoct any phone calls. One thing I will assure everyone here: Ijele's family, Ijele's mother will never appear on any video call. Nobody can bring his beautiful mother to any pro. They are not even in contact with her. She wouldn't even entertain their calls. You can see how they are lying. From the word go, these people are nothing but group of liars. These are conglomerates of compulsive liars and pathological liars. All they do is to lie. Now, the stupid woman in Chicago is putting a young girl's picture, using that to make her venomous and hateful program. I just want to put this out there. It has come to our notice. People disregard everything that was said on that video. She's nothing but a compulsive liar, a pathological liar, including his God of man and dog of man. They are all compulsive and pathological liars. They lie for a living. They breathe lie, they eat lie, they sleep lies. All they know how to do best is to lie. The same way they've taken their arrangee to the magistrate court, arranging everything. All the documents, all the affidavits is nothing but forged. The counter affidavits, all the officers' names they are listed are ghost names. Can you guys believe that these guys have reduced, some criminal police officers have reduced the institution to a laughing stock? The first affidavit that was sworn by the Nigerian police, that name do not exist within the Nigerian police. We have done our homework. They should produce the woman. That is why since 20th, since 21st, they, you know, illegally remanded him in custody. They have refused to face the court process because of what? All their documents are like. We are waiting for them at the Federal High Court. Let them come. If they really want to do the court case, let them go to the Federal High Court. We are more than ready for them. They should stop running. Like I said, this is not a social media war. I just came here to refute that. The picture on that banner is Ijele, his beautiful daughter, and the mother-in-law. You can see how dirty this bunch of people are. You know, they laid a siege yesterday at the magistrate court. Everything was thwarted. They even went as far as going to the prison. The prison official turned them down. Today they are crying because they are honorable public servants. And I give maximum respect to the prison officials of Kefi Correctional Center. They stood their ground. They refused to be compromised. If I tell you, before even Ijele got to the prison, back to the prison yesterday, they've already gone there, laying siege, having their own order, thinking that they can bribe the officers in the Kefi Correctional Center to release him. They refused. They said he is going nowhere. They should come out and say things the way it is. They should come out and say it the way it is. You can see how these guys have ridiculed everything. And today, this is an eye opener that today I'm beginning to understand how many magistrates, or most, I wouldn't say most, many magistrates are highly corrupt. Ijele was still in prison, still in detention, a case still, in the magistrate court. They've gone to area court 11 to obtain another remand order to remand their father. That is not going to work. It's dead on arrival. We thwarted everything yesterday. This is a civil case. They went and bribed some, police officers, laying siege, and policemen, wasting state resources, laying siege, waiting for Ijele to arrive. But then we beat them on their game. All we're asking, let us meet in Federal High Court. Let us meet in Federal High Court. Bring your evidence. And they should be ready to defend every of their forged affidavits, including those. I mean, you guys need to see these documents. They are lying, mentioning false names on affidavits. Anybody that knows what an affidavit is, that is abusing of the court process. They have gone to shop an Igbo magistrate that is going to do their bidding, thinking they're going to have it easy. No. We are waiting for you guys at the Federal High Court. We are waiting for you. We are waiting for you guys. This is not a social media trial. Bringing Ijele's daughter, putting her banner there, and tomorrow they begin to cry they are being cyberbullied, they are being cyberstalked. Now, who is defaming who? Who is cyberbullying who? Guys, I said, let me put this out here. Disregard whatever information, whatever she said on that videos are nothing but lies. If she wants to face the case, Let her fly into Nigeria. I give her a guarantee. Let her come back home. I am going to be on the next flight when everything gets to the maximum bearing. We can't run away from our country. You know, all these guys are nothing but bunch of liars. Tomorrow you want to tell me your God of man is innocent. Lying, lies and lies. They can go and concoct every lies they want. They can frame every false document they want. You know, guys, let me leave you now. Everything that she said on that video, somebody brought it to my attention. And I can tell you this, we've put call across. She's not in contact with the King of Games mom, and she'll never be. And his mom will never speak to nobody. You know, and for them doing this, let them not worry. They will get their own litigation. For the criminal in Chicago, she will never step her foot in Nigeria. This is a promise. Thank you guys, and good night from here.